Morse Codes shifting gears with the feds and copyright amends. A new kind of data by Andye Induce. Whooped, centigrade, forlorn, poetic, tragic, mad, debate, running wild, treason, foreplay, seasonal, deepening, deeply gold, hot, jet, bastion, ripped, blurs, burrs on your jeans, mon rasta, dappled cities, glow weave, Instagram, coven, delectable, near Sundance, glittering expanses, railed, healthy pictures, serrated, dastardly wildernesses, action man, books set in sand, gripping antiques, roadshow rattled, 1920s French glass art, hingings about in trees, ferns, on your rattan chairs, your slowly spinning fans, hitchhikers' words plastered about cataclysmic, heathens, heathens, surveyors, lime pink, mossy aliens, smoke rings, dusty, richly hot, wet springs, wires, dials, cords, silkened, perpetual domes, gold machines, axles across the chatterings, cosmos preachers, practical dancers, balustrades, brocades, baubles, lightnings, tingings, tinglings, volcanic, phosphorescent shorelines, magical speakers, indelible digital weaves on quilts, antiques, Providence, Provençals, deeper, deeply distilled, little hot burgers, mad hooters, Parisian city streets, crazy horses, mans at mid-zeros, neural rockers, cranked axles, zipped inky oceans, laden wet crazy beats, Eiffel Towers, pips, squeaks, frankly, my dears, bards, hardcore shocks, Tesla's spirits, Illuminati secrets, golden peach wine triangles, diagonal blurs, echoing hot folds, whippet masters, mistresses, maidens, intergalactic, common basic forms, line centers, mad minimal, supporters, hot damn wedges, shoes, boots, stilettos, platforms, chock-a-block, tangerine, transient, web dings, purple shoots, PVC custom car colors, vibrant, vibrating neon fiends, existentialists, bubbling highways, Zen springs, with all your orange glinting fishes, lotuses, wetly devotionals, bubbling brooks, line forms, forensic, altered, hot, wet sparks, shifting lights, red lit, golden, yellowed, cockroach linoleum, summer storms, rubber thongs, clackings, deeply hankerings, huddling inside stairwells, cirruses, sitars, slowly revolving vapes, hijinks, salutations, gardens, Japanese rock beds, superstar rockers with tats, motorbikes, bikes and street creds, gangs of bikes, Akiras, fantasy, fantastic phantoms, gripping highlights, constant whirrings, reflected light in ponds, catfish, natty, washboard, jazzmen, hot women's, binding junctions, risque tax evasions, whooped, weeping willows of yonder vales, Warhols, 15-minute dallies, Hall of Fames, rustling glints, echoings, refracted in pools, garfish leeches, fronds, firs, spruces, banknotes shuffled, laundered caches, gang styles, lone shooters, hibernating cruise shippers, hot rock beds, zens gripping, tightening, flimsy sand shoes, dripping soulfish, tackled crikeys, fellas, hell in a hand basket, arrows of buckets, dusky mates, filmy cords, trails of light, sparkling fares, nightly footy deciders, balanced banks of banksiers, bribey island heydays, grooving art houses, lizards entitled visitations, common class wars, wiped out tilling, toiling, bubbling, echoing, broilings, witchy laundering, offshores, hot red lit gold, whispers S&M, high fashion, red blue polices, also atomic erotic, zero man's woman's, neural nodes, elevated bonuses, hooped whooped mad ceramic, sculptural weaves, Moses's arrows of buckets, hot little dictionaries with arms and legs, stolen your words, gave them to the feds, hot paid and used banknotes, cashiers cut hairs in throats, on deliveries, at night in boats. It was nondescript, man, hidden in mason slop jars, hearts full of intrinsic, passing the buck, that cataclysm, prince, that wood block, surface masters, rigmarole, fisco dallying, dialing crankshaft hustlers, striped candy, raven, lackluster, luster, honey-eyed kids, in sockets, out the back, porches, elated clans of honest sources, whimsical typewritten brevity, cosmic launderings, gripping tangents, walking by all means across Bismarck-covered French spies, Stradenfood, tight dealings, economic rendezvous, rickety rattan chairs, hot seats, tuck bars, hot pools, wet whimsings, whisperings, praying for peace, man icy torrential red ink, cherry jam punch card riders, mad olfactory settings, wise man's habitual populicences, rafted wedges, layerings, lots of hot lot shoes running down Beatles, time travellings, London swinging 60s, high jinxes, thrifty shoes, dime stores, hazmat suits, gas mask, conveyor belts, out of the blue, peltings with stones, whipped up, winds, blessings, high dark side crones, gothics, hanging in the loam, foaming words at the mouths, curious, curio jesters, dark lights, rainbows, slippery mad evens, planetary majestics, magic high art scales, rippling echoes, lovers with notes written on hot poets, mirrors, messages, coffee shops, napkins, gangland, gangplank, sipping coffees, echoing phrases, priors, at dawn, servitude, high-end forces, custom fonts, strange and creepy cars, vehicles vernacular following you with word bags along the sides of the roads, truck stops bagged, alleyway superior, horty-tetchy, digital Xerox machines, whipped into intellect by hot girls, super innings, mad, magical hot demon, Denham Island treasures, Archie booster shots, jettisons, fainting swords, ship to shore brooches, broach secret covens, whipping boys, lights, jeeps, right, some reel-to-reel footage of creepy echoing motorbikes, duet sprites running on empty, all my words in the cloudy skies, internet streakings, digital clouds of informations floating about dispellings, Rufuses, admin axles, those hot-wired info oblivions, overloaded rackuses, fiendish phantoms, madmans, villains, villanelle girls, hot peach fuzzards, exciting zombie flicks, flickering song dancers, Swedish, Danish, opportune wizards, talk show shops, Brutuses, five-fingered discounts, icy torrential lunatics, habits, mercantiles, hot supports, bars, damp waddlings, backstroke underwriters. Those mad instants called on binaries, the finest qualities, words like deep red wines, hidden in your secret shelves, drunk on your words, and they want more. Fellas, girls, women, men, ions, atoms, eons of words, mind to defend, sullied, cosmic, desperately, tragically, mad high treasons, bucks parties with alien love notes, those madly graphic, insane dictionaries with pointy arms, legs, dancing amid sharpshooters, punctuations, Morse codes, shifting gears with the feds, and copyright amends. A new kind of data by Andye Induce. I hope you enjoyed it.